Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget barbells that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fringe Sport Wonderbar. The Wonderbar has a 28mm shaft diameter, ideal for using the hook grip in Olympic weightlifting and comfortable for almost all hand sizes. If you're a female CrossFitter or have small hands, you can also opt for the 15kg Wonderbar with a 25mm diameter. The shaft has dual markings for powerlifting and Olympic weightlifting, meaning you don't need to swap out your barbell when you switch between either training style. The Wonderbar also has an impressive 205 kPa per square in PSI tensile strength capacity, which means it can withstand the high volume of drops seen in a CrossFit box. I was pleasantly surprised to see they even show the yield strength, 160 kPSI, something few companies will ever disclose. The 20kg Wonderbar is unique because it offers 2 sleeve versions, bushings or bearings. Bushings are better for slower and heavier lifts like power lifts, squats, bench presses, and deadlifts. They're also more affordable, more durable, and easier to maintain. On the other hand, bearings are better for the faster lifts and lighter loads seen in Olympic weightlifting. They're smoother and spin extra fast but require more care and upkeep. The type of bar you choose depends on your lifting style and preference. The great thing is, regardless of the kind you choose, you'll still get an incredible one, 600-pound weight capacity. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Living.fit Cerakote Barbell. The Living.fit Barbell has dual knurl rings, so it's not strictly a weightlifting bar. A true Olympic weightlifting bar will only have single knurl marks based on International Weightlifting Federation (IWF) standards. Still, we consider it the best budget Olympic barbell because it has a 28mm shaft diameter per IWF standards, and its construction makes it strong enough to withstand repeated drops. Our testing team tried this barbell for several weeks and rated it 4 out of 5 stars overall. Besides a couple of bushings, most of this bar's components are high-quality needle bearings. Needle bearings are essential for an Olympic bar because they allow it to spin quickly and smoothly. This reduces the torque on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders during snatches and clean and jerks and helps you avoid injury. At number 3, we have the Titan Performance Series Power Barbell. It features a 29mm shaft diameter, which may seem unimportant, but if you're a powerlifter, even an aspiring one, you should train like you compete. The International Powerlifting Federation, IPF, uses 29mm diameters as the standard in their competitions for male competitors. By using the same diameter in your training as your competitors, you'll gain an edge over the other lifters. At the very least, your grip will improve when lifting on a 29mm bar versus a 28mm barbell. The center knurling of the Performance Series Power Barbell gives you a better grip on squats, especially if you're a low bar squatter, because it results in more contact area between the bar and your shirt, or back if you're addicted to pain. It also comes in handy for sumo deadlifts, as you'll have a knurled area to grip, unlike many of the non-center knurled alternatives I've mentioned. This power bar also flexes some of the coarsest knurling out of all the bars featured in this article. It has medium mountain knurling, which is noticeably more aggressive than volcano knurling. The sharp tips of the former type are still present and will dig deeper into your hands. For a powerlifting bar, aggressive knurling is good. The last thing you want on a one representative max attempt is to end up dropping the bar because the knurling was too passive. At number 2, we have the PRX Women's Olympic Prime Bar. The PRX Women's Olympic Prime Bar is the best barbell for women for several reasons. First, it has a 25mm shaft diameter. Not only does this match the IWF sizing for women's barbells, but it's also ideal for ladies because women have smaller hands than men on average, making a typical 20 to 29mm barbell challenging to hold. A smaller diameter on a barbell also means less stress on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders, which is good for reducing injury risk. This barbell also has a lighter 15 kilogram starting weight, the official starting weight for a barbell used in any IWF competition. This weight is a suitable warm-up or starting weight for women of all strength levels for exercises like the bench press and back squat. However, it also makes for a more reasonable load on exercises that recruit less muscle mass, like the overhead press and barbell rows, where technique might suffer if a 45-pound barbell is used as your first set. And finally, at number 1, we have the Barbell The Beast Olympic Bar. Barbells The Beast, which you can find on Amazon, is hands down the most affordable budget barbell on our list. At around $100, its price tag is significantly lower than almost any other Olympic barbell on the market, which tends to cost $200 to $300, if not more. With the Beast, you get a decent barbell from a reliable seller without spending much money. The Beast barbell has a maximum weight capacity of 200 pounds, which is impressive for any budget barbell, but especially for one priced so economically. And let's be honest, most of us, myself included, aren't going to be lifting anywhere near its maximum weight capacity. So the fact that it has a capacity of over 1,000 pounds while staying budget-friendly is a win-win. Although its product page on Amazon appears to host at least 5 different bars offered by Barbell, including the Beast, I was shocked to see the high ratings. Typically, you'd expect 3 out of 5 stars for a barbell in this price range, but Barbell has over 300 reviews with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Buyers speak highly of the knurling, which they say is grippy without being too aggressive, and smooth sleeve rotation. With the positive feedback and praise this barbell received in the review section, you likely won't regret your investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.